Every workplace has its specific health and safety issues, but the workplace environment itself can be a hazard and may need attention. Good design and careful housekeeping will help keep it safe. Slip, trip and fall hazards are significant causes of accidents and can be reduced by simple housekeeping around the workplace. Lighting should provide an even level of glare-free illumination. Quality lighting helps reduce eye strain and makes fine work easier. It also makes the general workplace a safer place to be. Dust and vapours are potential hazards in manufacturing. Keep workplaces clean. In high dust or vapour areas, use extraction devices to reduce the problem. Ensure acceptable exposure limits based on an 8-hour day. Most lunchrooms and offices have one of these, but the hot water can scald. Make sure it's mounted and operating properly in order to minimise the risk of contact. Most people think of offices as risk-free areas, but correct design of workplace facilities is important for the prevention of injuries and stress. Fire is an ever-present risk. All staff should be aware of escape routes, assembly points, and the location and correct use of fire extinguishers. Escape routes must not be used as storage areas and need to be kept clear at all times. In summer, workers are sometimes exposed to hot working conditions. Make sure the environment is as comfortable as possible and that rest breaks, personal protective equipment and cold water are provided. At the other end of the temperature scale, cold storage can pose a significant problem. Assess whether workers need to be provided with protective clothing. And make sure cold rooms can always be opened from the inside and that there's an appropriate alarm. If vehicles work on your site, pedestrian safe zones should be defined. Operators of some equipment must be licensed, and their training should include awareness of surroundings, not just load handling skills. And if you operate a cash business, think of the cash and the people handling it as a potential target. While the cash can be replaced, the mental and physical injury associated with a robbery may be permanent. Make sure your security procedures are adequate. Maintaining a healthy and safe working environment isn't hard, but it does require constant vigilance. Be aware of the risks and take all possible steps to minimise them. And ensure your staff are properly trained in these issues.